Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To deactivate your car alarm system, first try using your key fob by pressing the alarm button. If that doesn't work, turn on your car to reset the alarm system. Alternatively, finding the alarm fuse in the fuse box and removing it for a few moments can also deactivate the system. Make sure to consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions related to your model. Always ensure safety protocols are followed to avoid damage to your vehicle or alarm system.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.